If you're experiencing issues with the FIFA 24 update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Power off your gaming console or PC completely. Wait for a few moments, then turn it back on. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting any temporary files. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming. This can sometimes kickstart the download process and allow it to continue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling FIFA 24. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can resolve any issues related to corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the FIFA 24 update getting stuck. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.